the decision once taken by the Prime Minister, it cannot be rolled back. The country is suffering. More than 300 farmers have died, have become martyrs in the struggle so far, braving all repression. But this government is just completely unresponsive to the demands. Unemployment is one of the worst. 15 crores have lost jobs, as I said. For our youth, there is no future. And the communal polarization that they are doing, imposing their conception of what India should be, that is destroying its plural foundations, destroying federalism, which is an important issue in the forthcoming elections in Tamil Nadu, unilaterally imposing the education policy, by which also the language policy. And in this way, they are completely destroying the foundations of the Indian Constitution, and anybody who opposes them is now being picked up under UAPA or sedition. Today, finally, the Supreme Court has come out yesterday saying dissent against the government is not sedition. But the number of sedition cases that are there in appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court, they are not being actually disposed of with the urgency that is required, and these people set free. And this sort of an autocracy, the authoritarianism that is growing, these sort of fascistic attacks on the people that are growing and targeting Dalits. Look at the number of Dalit girls who are gang raped and murdered. Targeting the lower castes, targeting the Adivasis. These are matters of very grave concern, and we have to protect India and Tamil Nadu from this sort of an assault. So our party has been, during the last few years, conducting very vigorous people's campaigns against the BJP and the AIDMK alliance and the government here. And the AIDMK government in Tamil Nadu, very unfortunate. Tamil Nadu has got a very big legacy of fighting for the rights of the states, for the principle of federalism. But this AIDMK government is actually supporting every single measure of the BJP that they are taking in the parliament, including these farm bills, including this industrial policy, and including the communal polarization that is taking place. This is not acceptable. So that is why the CPIM is today saying it very clearly that we are working for the defeat of the BJP AIDMK alliance in Tamil Nadu. For this, we will cooperate with all the forces who are willing to achieve this objective. And as all of you are aware, we are part of the overall understanding along with that secular democratic forces led by the DMK in the state. So we want the DMK also to show the responsibility that it has always shown in the past of carrying together all the other forces who are willing to achieve this objective in a reasonable manner, in a manner in which everybody, all the constituents of this sort of a coalition, electoral coalition that will emerge, they are all remain together and stronger in defeating the BJP AIDMK alliance.